Hello, I'm playing Animal Box Speedrun. So, let's speedrun.
My phone just died. Oh wow. That's sad.
Okay, start.
Guys,
What?
Guys, help me. Guys.
What?
Guys.
I almost died.
Where? Please help. Please come to where I am.
I'm coming. I might not make it. But I'm him.
Near the pillars. I'm by the pillars.
Wait.
God dang.
I'm by the
I
pillars.
fell.
I'm speedrunning.
I'm right after the pillars.
Wait, do you see a monster?
I made it to top 30.
I hear it.
Not top 30. I made it to
It
top
sounds close.
46.
This is terrifying, bro.
Come on.
Please. Go.
Stay on walls. Stay on walls. Just in case. Stay on the walls. Stay on the walls.
Oh, it's close. Oh
Where?
my god, that's...
Do you sniff it?
I literally hear it. It's like it was literally
Dang,
like
okay.
right.
I thought that was.
Right. Oh.
Oh. Yo, is that the mimic?
Oh, it's gonna murder you. Oh, it's gonna murder you.
Guys, is that
It's
the
gonna murder
mimic?
you. That's all. You almost got killed, bro.
I can good thing I can't climb. Wait up.
God dang it. Why you little. Dang it. Freak you, mimic. You killed me once. You can't kill me twice.
Get up.
Time to kill it. Oh my god, is he chasing us?
No, remember that level that had that like, dude on it? Yeah, that's what those people were on and killed it.
Oh no, he's right there. No, I hate this guy.
Oh,
Kill the
now
monster.
Okay.
Stay at the wall, respawn.
Stay on.
Excuse me. 10 more. Oh my god, what a... They're probably trying to go after me.
Drop that big. You're not risking it. Should I risk it?
Watch. Yeah, they're oh, that's it then. Can't get me.
Camping! Yeah, no.
I'm dead. You just killed someone.
We made it.
It's coming. It's coming.
Why, bro? Why'd you gotta say that? No, it's not.
God, it's coming.
No, it's not. Why'd you lie, bro?
I'm cooking you. I'm cooking you.
I don't care.
Bro, where did my friend go? Where did my friend go?
Jesus, freak.
Your friend, did you die? Friend, did you
I'm
die?
speedrunning this, bro.
Wait, friend, you died. I'm not going out, my friend. Bring them here, bro. Yo, friend, I'm not going out. You come on. I'm not going out. You.
I gotta get back up.
Yo, bro, one of you. Bro, me and you. Bro, wait up, bro.
Bro, how are you supposed to get that, bro?
It's not that hard.
That is actually kind of impossible.
We got this. One.
Bro, someone protect me.
Got it. 5 minutes. 23.
Here, I'm trying to get faster.
Are you ready? And go.
Still making
I'm at top
What am I making?
Oh, you know that way?
Bro. This is not fair. You literally
Trust me.
help me. He's after me, bro.
Yo, why did I even try?
You have to get that checkpoint. because you have to. I can't get.
Bro, you cannot come
I
out.
can't get that.